Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Cryptokip, and today we have a very special holiday episode of the Crypto Report. To everybody out there, happy holidays and ho, ho, hodl, crow fam. That is right. That is right. I do want to talk a little bit about Crypto.com, the land, the loaded lions, and I want to talk a little bit about a crazy story that came out today about Jim Cramer, and anybody that buys crypto is apparently a cretin now. So we're going to talk a little bit about that and my thoughts on that one in today's video. If you guys like the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 4 videos every single day for you. We will not miss a day, folks, even on a holiday, but today will be a very short video for you. And when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're going to give away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber, and there are more giveaways coming, I'm very happy to announce soon. That's all I got. So guys, let's hop into the charts. Let's look at what's going on in the market. You got an $800 billion market cap, Bitcoin at $16,800, Ethereum just above 1,200. Looks like we're coming down a little bit on this Christmas day. Santa rally didn't quite get one, folks, unfortunately. So we'll see how the year wraps up. My partner Black C posted a video earlier today. If you didn't get a chance to check that out, make sure you do. But right now, CRONOS actually looking pretty strong at just under 6 cents. We came up, 7%, 6% over the last 7 days. And I think part of that is all this hype around the crypto.com land, really. I mean, when you look at the last 7 days, actually, let's see if it's one of the top. It is one of the top 4 coins in crypto over the last 7 days. So that is something to holler at, guys, and something to be very excited about. But little bit of an interesting story I want to share with you. First, make sure you guys do consider subscribing to the channel. Again, you can see all the videos we do, giving you constant updates on everything Sam Bankman-Fried and the rest, and consider joining as a member to the channel as well. If you haven't checked that out as well, we do offer perks. But story I want to share with you for the day, Jim Cramer urges the SEC to do a big crypto sweep, says, I wouldn't touch crypto in a million years. Well, here's the deal, Jim Cramer. You did. You did touch crypto already. And now you're a flip-flopping flippy-flopper, and it's a little bit out of control. Join the gang. Mark Cuban, Kevin O'Leary, and now Jim Cramer flip-flopping. It's what they do, guys. The mainstream media flip-flops. They flip-flop because they're trying to manipulate us, you, me, all of us. But it ain't going to work, because I know anybody watching these videos right now is a diamond hander DCAing, buying the dip, or preparing to buy the dip potentially for the first time. And in case you guys haven't heard of this, it's called the Jim Cramer effect. When Jim Cramer says something's going up, it typically goes down. When the opposite is true, then the opposite is true. So, I was talking to my uncle last night, and he said, yeah, he's always late. He's basically the signal. He's going to hop on the bandwagon, and by the time he hops on the bandwagon, the hype is dying down, and it's almost time for the market to reverse of whatever opinion Jim Cramer takes. And that's just how it is, guys. That's just how it is. And so Jim Cramer coming out says, I wouldn't touch crypto in a million years. First of all, Jim Cramer, you bought a farm with crypto a couple years ago for your family. Okay? First of all, there's that. Second of all, you're ridiculous, Jim Cramer. So I got to look at some of these quotes. I would not touch crypto in a million years because I wouldn't trust the deposit bank. I don't even know what he means, the deposit bank. That's not how crypto works, for the record. So a little bit silly there. And also, just this quote too. I'm going to read a bunch of these quotes. These are hilarious. I'm just saying you're using a lot of blind faith. I like to have my money in JP Morgan. And I check on Monday to see whether my balance is there. It feels good. Well, a while ago, and again, I was talking to my uncle last night, and there was a great point that came up. Do you really trust your money in the bank? Well, I'm going to give you a very specific example of where your money might not be there in a bank. I'll give you one particular example. There was a whole controversy with the truckers up in Canada, and whether you side with the truckers and the protests that they had. Well, they ended up getting crushed by the Canadian government, and they ended up basically blocking those truckers that were protesting. Everybody heard about these truckers out of their bank accounts. I'm not sure exactly which bank that was, but the banks blocked truckers out of their banking account because they protest. That cannot happen in crypto. That cannot happen if you own your own wallet. So folks like Jim Cramer and JP Morgan and this bank in Canada that blocked those truckers out of their wallet, they want to be able to control you. They want to be able to control your money, and they don't want you to go into DeFi and crypto, clearly, or else it seems like Jim Cramer wouldn't take this position. But, Jim Cramer, he's just a talking head, part of the mainstream media, it's part of that top echelon of people that, we're out of that circle, right? But that's why crypto's here, folks. So that was an interesting quote, but, Jim Cramer, trust the banks. Okay. I think that everybody owns these various coins. Solana, great project. Having trouble with the FTX collapse, though. Litecoin does stink, kind of, I'll be honest. I do think you're an idiot, okay? I do not go to college to get stupid. These people who own these things should not own them. They shouldn't own them, says Jim Cramer. You know what? You get to own whatever you want. Do your own research, folks. Own whatever you want to own. That's the point. We should have freedom with our financials. We should have free markets. Jim Cramer doesn't want a free market, guys, and Jim Cramer's wrong. And Jim Cramer's bought crypto in the past. If you can't tell, I'm getting heated up. Merry Christmas. Okay. And he says, I think they need to do a big sweep. They have to stop people creating money. And then he says, it's the creation of money by Cretans. I don't think Cretans should create money and then suck people in. These are worse than even the worst NASDAQ stocks, Cramer concluded. Now, guys, here's the deal. He's calling us Cretans, okay? But here's the deal. Cretans are a stupid person, okay? A person whose mental and physical development has been impaired by a deficiency of the thyroid hormone or fetal in early life. First of all, Jim Cramer, you just insulted yourself and you called yourself a cretin. Congratulations. You just contradicted yourself and you called yourself an idiot with birth defects, apparently. Second of all, the people that create cryptocurrencies, Jim, they're the smartest people in the history of financial creation, okay? And they're the smartest people in terms of technology today. If you're calling Vitalik Buterin a cretin, then I don't know what you are, man. Vitalik Buterin is one of the most brilliant minds on earth today. A lot of brilliant minds, but arguably one of the more brilliant ones. Satoshi Nakamoto, wherever he is, they are, whoever they might be, geniuses. You cannot stop crypto, but they're trying. And that's why Jim Cramer is calling out and calling anybody that touches crypto right now a cretin. Only cretins would say that, Jim, okay? Oh, guys, the FUD is there. And the fact is that crypto is down, yes, and it's down bad, but the venture capitals, they're not cretins, are they? They're venture capitalists. They make money. They keep pouring money into crypto. Why? Web3, decentralized finance, it's the future, folks. I'm more bullish than ever. And if you guys haven't checked out some of these crypto.com NFTs, I'm telling you guys, these loaded lions, they are on discount right now, and I am trying to buy more. And I'm looking at this land too. If you guys missed out on the crypto.com land sale, a lot of people had a tough time with this crypto.com land sale, a really tough time. But right now, prices for the Dune Goons, if you guys want to become a Dune Goon, Crow fam, then check it out. I mean, the prices are pretty decently reasonable right now for these dunes. So I'm going to go low to high. I'll filter. We'll show you guys what the dunes are at. Dunes currently priced at about 70, 68 bucks, I think is the floor for that. For the blockchains, the most rare, you're actually looking at a floor price right now of about $4,300. That is up approximately $1,200 from last night. Is the bottom in for this land, guys? Let me know what you think in the chat down below. And do you think that we should buy one here at the Crypto Report? Because I'll be honest, we're certainly thinking about it. We're certainly thinking about it. Guys, that's all I got for you today. Look, do not let Jim Cramer be the fuddy-duddy guy that he is and scare you out of the market, guys. This is an opportunity to buy the dip. This is an opportunity for those of the folks that didn't get into the crypto.com land sale, for those of the folks that didn't get into crypto yet. This is your chance, guys, because we do know that the Bitcoin halving is around the corner. And when that comes, we will be in a bull market again. The government ain't going to ban crypto, guys. They want the taxes. It's coming. So don't let folks like Jim scare you. He's the trading signal. The bottom is getting close. This is not financial advice. I love and appreciate you all. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Follow us on Twitter. Make sure you check me out, Cryptokip tweets, and my partner Black C at 333 Black C. We will be starting to do more giveaways, which I'm very excited to tell you guys about soon. So do not miss out and subscribe to the channel. That's all I got, guys. I'm Cryptokip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to, as always, DCA HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you would like to check them out. Peace.